Once you have the vehicle safely raised and supported so the wheel's off the ground, we're going to continue by removing the 21mm lug nuts. Remove the hubcap, remove the wheel. Now that the wheel's off, we have a clear view of our sway bar link here. I'm just going to use some locking pliers, and I'm going to come right on the back side of this stud, pretty much right up against the strut, and try to hold that stud. After that, I'm going to remove this 18mm nut. There it is. Let's do the same to the other side of the vehicle. At this point, you can move the bar up and down to wherever you need it. So however you're going to be taking this off. For me personally, I'm going to come from underneath with a swivel. I'm going to get on there with a swivel socket, an extension, and my air gun, and just zip this nut off. Whatever you got to do to get that nut off so we can replace this sway bar link. I'm just going to heat this nut up a little bit. Obviously be careful for any ABS wires or flex hoses. There we go. Get that out of there. So it's time to install our sway bar link. Generally speaking, you want to replace these as a pair, especially since we already have the other side half apart. So we're just going to put the bottom side in, take one of our mounting nuts, and start it on there. At this point, I would do the same to the other side, assuming you're replacing both sides. But you're going to leave the top off so you can move your bar up and down. I'm going to grab a 20mm wrench, put it right on here. Now I'm going to snug this up. It's nice and tight. Do the same to the other side. Do the same. All right, let's get this down to where it belongs. Start that one in. Go over and start your other one in the top. Now that we have the other side on, let's go ahead and blast this down. Do the same to the other side. The torque spec for these is 58 foot-pounds. Torqued. Torqued. It's time to get the wheel back up on here. Hubcap. Line up your valve stem hole, of course. Lug nuts. Let's bottom these out. Let's torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Torqued.